Today I'm going to teach you how to turn on spell check in Outlook. This feature is essential for catching typos and grammar mistakes before you send important emails, ensuring your messages always look professional and polished. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Once you're signed in, you should see your inbox with all your messages displayed. This is your main workspace where you'll manage all your email communications. Once your email has been loaded, we're going to access the email composition tools. To do this, click on the New Email button located on the top left part of your screen. This button opens up a fresh email composition window where you can write and format your messages. By clicking this, you're essentially creating a new draft that will give us access to all the editing and reviewing tools we need. From the email composition screen, look at the top part of your screen where you'll see several tabs with different options. Click on Review. This tab is specifically designed for proofreading and checking your email content before sending. It's where Outlook keeps all its quality control features. From the Review tab, you'll directly see the spelling and grammar check icon. Click on it to turn it on and enable the grammar and spelling checker for your email message. This feature will automatically scan your text for common spelling errors, typos, and basic grammar issues. Once activated, Outlook will highlight potential mistakes with colored underlines, typically red for spelling errors and blue or green for grammar suggestions. You can click on these highlighted words to see suggested corrections and choose the right fix. And there you have it. You've successfully turned on spell check in Outlook to help you catch errors before hitting send. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.